Traditional Bolognese lasagna. Bolognese lasagna is a worldwide renowned Italian dish from the northern region of Emilia-Romagna. It is important to choose a good quality pasta because the texture is fundamental to absorb the sauce. Use only a high-quality tomato sauce. The sauce is the most important part of this recipe. Ingredients: 1 pack of lasagna pasta sheets, 250 grams of grated Parmesan, 250 grams minced pork meat, 250 grams minced beef meat, 500 grams tomato sauce, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1 celery, 40 grams of milk, extra virgin olive oil bel morso, bay leaves, salt and black pepper, as needed, 250 grams white wine, 3-liter water. Ingredients for the white sauce: 1 liter fresh milk, 100 grams butter, 100 grams white flour, nutmeg, as needed, salt, a pinch. Preparation: warm up a bit of extra virgin olive oil in a big pot and add the minced vegetables. This is called sofrito in Italian, and it is the secret of every sauce. Add the minced meat and let it fry slowly over a medium heat. Let the juices of the meat come out and wait until they are absorbed. When the bottom of the pot is dry, pour in the white wine and stir well. Once the wine has evaporated, add the tomato sauce, 1 liter of water, and the bay leaves. Add a pinch of salt and let it cook for 1 hour on a low-medium heat. After that time, add the 2nd liter of water, stir all together and keep cooking for 1 more hour. Finally, add the last liter of water, stir again, and keep cooking for the last 3rd hour. At the end of the cooking, the sauce should not be too thick, because it will get thicker in the oven. Add salt and pepper, turn off the heat and add the milk. Now, prepare the white sauce. In a smaller pot, warm up the milk. In a second pot, add the butter and melt. Then, add the flour, stirring vigorously, and add the warm milk. Do this slowly, constantly stirring and preventing the formation of clots. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Now let's make the lasagna layers. Take a 30 by 20 cm oven pan, and spread a spoon of white sauce on the bottom. Then add a layer bolognese sauce and then a layer of white sauce. Be generous with Parmesan on top and make other layers following the same order. The last layer should end with the Parmesan. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. The lasagna will be ready. Buon appetito!